Hello, so today we're going to be doing practice 1, the CSV student report processor. So here is the instructions for this. We're going to develop a graphical user interface that reads student scores from a CSV file, calculates average scores for each student, and sorts the students by their average scores in descending order, and displays a report in the GUI. So here is the CSV file we have, and so here is our instructions. So we can go into our main and we can see all of our main functions here. And then we can go into our functions file and then we can see all of our our functions listed. And we also have in our DB file. So when we go to run main, we're going to load our CSV file. And here I have employees.csv. Here we have students.csv open. And then we can go in and our student report has all of those scores. Okay, so we have another practice. We're going to do the event logger to CSV to log the events and their timestamps to a CSV file. So here are our events. We're going to write the events to a CSV file, and then the CSV file should have headers with event and timestamp. So here's our code. We have our main file, our functions file, and our DB file. So when we run main, so I've actually updated this a little bit to include our main function here. And so main function, and then we have our functions, and then on our DB, it's going to be right here. So we're going to run main, and then we're going to get our event log with our timestamps. And just so you can see, like we said, we have our main file, our functions file, our DB, and then it's going to create our eventslog.csv file. So we'll go over one more. It's going to be the product manager. So I'll show you, this is going to be what we're going to be going over, designing a GUI, functionalities and display formatting. You can delete items. So in this we have our three, as you can see under app, just ignore this is a PY file, but our main, our functions, and our DB file. So here's our main. And then once we go over to run main, we have a window here that pops up, which is product management apps. So we can add a product named fruit. And it can be for $10, and there can be 30. You can add product. There we go. And then we can also go ahead and change the stock count to 0. We can update the stock. Oh, fruit. And then update stock. Sorry. Update stock. New stock count for fruit. 0. We have 0 fruit. And then here we go, and you can add a bunch more, sort by price, fetch products, add product, various things.